Connection culminated. Princess Poodle has been captured by the evil robot named Zaka. You must get your puppies into super suits, but they do not know their power.
I guess the floating potion turned me tiny too, but okay. What's happening?
She doesn't want to be a superhero.
Apparently not.
Where'd she go?
Puppy.
I want to be superhero now. I want cookie. Give me cookie.
Cookie? Are you a cookie?
No! Tony, come back. What's the tiny containers he's had up here since I was born?
Oh, I'm not telling you. You gotta open them and figure out. Wait.
My suit of armor! Bang, bang, bang. That stuff my toe.
Ah, my neck.
My neck is cool.
No, it's not as cool as mine.
My neck is
People
big.
say my neck is the best. Watch.
Stretch your arms.
I can jump as high as I want. Boing.
Stretch your arms.
I can jump as high as I want. Boing.
I can fly.
I can fly. Watch this. What the heck are you guys doing? We're just messing around.
Cannonball! Boom! I made you big. You be bigger than me. Yeah.
I just came out of my room and look what happened. Oh no!
I think it was Fluff Fluff.
I do not think it was Fluff.
What's going on?
Look at the roof. Look at the roof. Do you have any idea who did this?
Well, I might have set off a firework.
And it hit the roof.
That might have been the reason why.
Wee. Oh no, the police are here. Hide. I'll deal with it. No!
Open the door! Hide! Okay.
I feel like the police would give me free cookies.
Hide!
I want to see it. I want to see it. I want to see the police.
Bang, bang, bang!
You're under arrest, Fluff Fluff. And thank you, little tiny girl, for telling me who it was. Can I have some cookies? Yes, after we get this criminal under arrest. Now, here's your cookies. Yay! I'll share them with all my friends.
What happened?
I got some cookies from the police.
Where's Fluff Fluff?
She went to jail. But I got cookies from the police.
What?
Yeah, I say that. Here's one for you. Here's one for you. Here's one for you.
Thanks, but we need.
Okay.
Bang, bang, bang! Order in the cart! Fluff Fluff, what were you doing fireworks last night?
Pretty flowers.
Fluff Fluff, what were you doing firing fireworks last night?
I don't know.
Well, if you don't say the reason, we're gonna arrest you.
Oh.
Fluff Fluff, you're going to be arrested
But why?
for 5 years for destroying someone's property.
Ow.